Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given the masses of 50 students and use the curve to find the number of students whose mass is less than, very good, less than or equals to 65. So if I were to zoom in to 65, then I will then be able to very quickly from this graph found that there are 12 students whose mass is less than or equals to 65. Okay? And that's for part A. 12. Alright? So for part B, right? Now they require us to find the number of students whose the mass is more than 68.8. So I will then have to go to first zoom in to find where is 68.8, and I managed to find that it is here. 68.8 kg is here. Okay, then from here I try to find what is the number of students whose mass is, in this case, not more than, but less than 68.8. So in this case here is 38. So I now know, there are 38 of them where the mass is less than 68.8. I know that the total number is 50. So what do you suggest we do with these two numbers, 50 and 38? Yes, we minus so that I will be able to get that for the student number of students more than 68.8. It represents this group of students here, which is simply 50 minus 38. Okay, and I'll get 12. So that will be the answer for part B. As for part C, instead of asking what is the number, now they actually ask us about the fraction. But the idea is the same because we are still talking about more than 66.4 in this case. So going into this question, 66.4 will be here. And that's where I go up and I gather from the graph that there are 22 students whose mass is less than 66.4. So with the total number given, then I can easily find the number of students who is more than 66.4. I just need to minus. And after which, since they want fraction, so 28 over 50. Please give your final answer in the simplest form. 14 over 25. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.